Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba usaphila-ke. Mina-ke ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze-ke okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke kwenza ukwazi uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba ezintsha-ke nje engizoloke ngiyiletha-ke kulona-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. So ongakwenza-ke nje lapho-ke wona ukuthi-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini u-subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba engilethele lona namhlanje sekuvele laphana ukuthi-ke sekukhona-ke iqembu-ke eseliphumile-ke ku-GNU. Laphana-ke kwavela nokuthi-ke indaba-ke liphume-ke, kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi wezwa ngami phela nje into nje udlala-ke ividiyo-ke usuzwele wena-ke. Enze usecela kuwe laphana-ke masuzwile-ke le vidiyo lena-ke ungene ema-comment section-ke ufushe umbono wakho ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke ukuthi-ke wena-ke ucabanga kanjani-ke. Masuncinde nebhathini nje subscribe nje, akubizi imali, kumahhala nje ukhiphe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke kwenza ukwazi uthola nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizoloke ngiyiletha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
The president of UAT has just did a press release. He is pulling out of the GNU. He's mentioning that before he joined, he had a discussion with the ANC and nothing was confirmed yet. So they were supposed to get back to him with terms and conditions that he had put in place. But nobody updated him on anything. And they've been quiet till now, but instead they did like a press release that he has joined the GNU. So because of that, he's pulling out. As we all said, guys, ANC just brought in the small parties. The only people that mattered in that GNU is the DA. Bona, they were just pulled in, otherwise they